Aussies, let's talk tax. Want to know which party will give you back the most money, or take the most? We're ranking every major political party from tax you to the grave to you keep your cash. Remember, preferential voting means you can put your fave first without wasting your vote. So let's get into it. Ranked from highest tax to lowest tax. Socialist Alliance and Socialist Alternative. The Tax Everything Party. These guys love tax. The only thing they don't want to tax is air, but give them time. They want higher income tax, wealth tax, corporate tax, and inheritance tax. If you die, they'll tax your coffin. Estimated savings for you? Minus $5,000. Yep, that's right, they're taking more. The Greens. Eco-taxes galore. Expect new taxes for climate change, wealth, and the ultra-rich. AKA anyone who owns more than one fridge. If they get in, that beach house you're dreaming of? Yeah, the government owns it now. Estimated savings for you? Minus $3,500. More tax equals less beach days. Australian Labor Party, ALP, will relieve the tax burden by moving it somewhere else. Labor says they'll cut taxes for some, but usually that just means moving it around. Middle-income Aussies. Sorry, you're still paying heaps. But don't worry, there's a grant for solar panels. Estimated savings for you? Minus $1,500. Enjoy your targeted relief that somehow misses you. Catter's Australia Party. Bob wants to build roads, bridges, and more roads, but someone's gotta pay. Catter loves the bush, and the bush loves infrastructure. Problem? It's funded by tax dollars. You'll pay a bit more, but at least regional towns might finally get working Wi-Fi. Estimated savings for you? Minus $1,000. Trade off faster outback internet. Shooters, fishers, and farmers. They like small business, but also big spending. They want to cut some taxes, but also love government-funded farming programs. You might save a bit, but don't expect major cuts unless you own a cattle station. Estimated savings for you? Minus $500. A little savings, but mostly for farmers. Liberal Party, boom, the we'll cut tax, eventually party. The Libs love to campaign on tax cut, then make you wait. Expect tiny cuts over 10 years, maybe just enough to cover your Netflix subscription. Estimated savings for you? Plus $500. Congrats, your tax cut bought you a coffee machine. Nationals, coalition partners. Basically the Liberals, but with more cowboy hats. They like tax cuts, but also want big agriculture spending. So you get some tax relief, but also more funding for regional Australia. Estimated savings for you? Plus $600. More for farmers, less for you. United Australia Party, Clive Palmer. Tax cuts, maybe. Billionaire subsidies? Definitely. Clive wants lower taxes, but also a massive government spending spree. Great if you own a nickel mine. But for the average Aussie, you might get a little extra. Estimated savings for you? Plus $1,000. Enough for a new BBQ. One nation. Cut GST, cut income tax, cut the nonsense. Pauline wants to abolish GST and slash income tax. That's right, pay 10% less on everything at the shops. Whether it actually happens? Who knows? But if it did, big savings. Estimated savings for you? Plus $3,000. That's a holiday fund right there. Great Australia Party. The no income tax ever party. Gap says tax is theft and wants to abolish income tax. No joke. That's an instant $10,000 back for middle income earners. If you hate tax, this is your party. Estimated savings for you? Plus $10,000. More money equals more fun. Libertarian Party, formerly Liberal Democrats. Smash the tax system, flat tax or no tax. These guys want a 15% flat tax, down from 33%. That means less tax for everyone and no crazy progressive tax brackets. If you're sick of losing half your paycheck, this is your team. Estimated savings for you? Plus $12,000. That's a new car. Pick your party. So there you have it. Who's gonna rob your wallet and who's letting you keep your money?